Welcome to Residence 5 at 27 East 79th Street, a full-floor residence just moments away from Central Park. What I love about this home is how it balances classic New York elegance with real livability. You have generous proportions, beautiful natural light, and the kind of layout that actually works for modern life. The living and dining spaces feel incredibly refined, perfect for entertaining or hosting an intimate dinner just off the park. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed for both everyday living and elevated gatherings. The bedrooms are quiet, private, and serene. Exactly what you want when you come home in Manhattan. And the location? Just steps from Madison Avenue shopping, some of the city's best restaurants, and of course, Central Park. Residence 5 at 27 East 79th Street is Upper East Side living done right. If you're looking for classic Manhattan elegance with space to actually enjoy it, this one deserves your attention.